Hello everyone, it's me, Norway GoAnimator, and today, I'm going to show you how to get GoAnimate back in 2026. So, have you ever wanted to make GoAnimate video back after all the non-business themes got removed in 2016? GoAnimate for schools and beyond's legacy video maker got retired in 2019 because of Flash Player's end of support, and stuck with Wrapper offline installation to get all the non-business themes back. So you are in the right video. I will show you. So first of all, you need to go to FlashThemes website, which is flashthemes.net. If you want to get FlashThemes without writing the link, go to Google, then type FlashThemes. It should appear all the links to access FlashThemes. So all you need to do is click on when it says FlashThemes. Make your own cartoons and animations easily. It should direct you to this website. Once you are there, scroll down until you see this button called Get Flash. Click on it. It should redirect to the Flash Player installation tutorial. I will explain how to get Flash Player in the browser that supports Flash so you will get it to use FlashThemes. First, click on the button that says Download, depending on your operating system that you have. If you have Windows, click on that says Download Clean Flash, and if you have macOS, click on that says Download Adobe Flash Player for macOS. This time it's a Windows tutorial, so I will choose Windows. After you click Download, the file will appear on Downloads. For Windows users, go to Download folder, then click on the Clean Flash Player installation. For the Clean Flash's installation, you need to click on Next all the time until you get the Install button, which you also need to click it. Wait for the installation to complete. And finally, click on the button that says Close. And now for the browser. I will recommend Google Chromium because Chromium has more features to work, such as file importer working on older LVMs. Click on that says Download Chromium. It should be direct to this website. Now all you have to do is click on that file that says ungoogled Chromium _67.0.3396.873 Windows.zip. After you clicked on that, it will download onto the computer. Once the file is downloaded, extract it, move the folder onto the desktop, open the folder, run the chrome.exe file. Once you are in Chromium, go to the same website that is flashthemes.net. You will see a message that says you need to click to enable Flash Player. Click on it, then you will see the notification to enable Flash Player. Click on that says Enable, and then boom, you got FlashThemes. All we need to do is by doing our last step, which is create an account. And I will explain it right now. First, you need to put an email. You need to put your email address from a website, for example Gmail or Yahoo Mail. If you don't have the email from these websites, then you can use temporary mails from websites, for example Tempmail or 10-Minute Mail. Then, you need to put your display name, which is actually your username. Then the password, confirm it, check the I agree with terms of use, and then click on Create My Account. Now it should notify you about the confirmation, which it is go to the same website that your email address has been created, such as Gmail. Then click on that says About FlashThemes Verification, then click on the link to verify your account. And then boom, you finally verified your account. All you need to do is signing up with the same email and password that you created. And ta-da, you got FlashThemes. If you want to start to make GoAnimate video, you need to click a button that says Create. Or, you can click on the button on the main page that says Create a Video. That's all for today's video, guys. Hopefully don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this. See you in the next time, goodbye.